Jai Swaminarayan, dear student. Previously, we were discussed about the image formation by a concave mirror and image formation by a convex mirror. So, previously we were understand about the how the reflection occur by the spherical mirror and what are the use of the spherical mirror, concave mirror as well as the convex mirror. But in the practical application we need to find the object distance, image distance, right, focal length of the convex mirror. So practically we can calculate the image distance of the image from the pole with the help of the formula. But for that we need to understand the new Cartesian sign convection for the reflection by a spherical mirror. We must apply the sign convection for the example of the image distance, object distance. To calculate the focal length, we must apply the sign convection for the reflection of the spherical mirror. So dear student, in this video we will discuss how the sign convection is applied in the reflection of the spherical mirror. So this video is very important for the example also, because in the example, right, we must have to apply the sign convection, right, for the object distance, for the image distance, for the focal length, right, we use this sign convection in the example. So remember this sign convection, right, we will revise this sign convection whenever we explain the example of the spherical mirror. So let us discuss the new sign convection of the mirror. This sign convection is applicable for both the type of the mirror, concave mirror as well as the convex mirror. So for example, here we take a concave mirror, but the sign convection is applicable for both the type of the mirror, concave mirror as well as the convex mirror, right? So we take this concave mirror, center of the concave mirror is called the pole, right? So here the center of the mirror pole is considered as the origin and principal axis is considered as a x-axis. So on the right side of the pole all the distances are considered as a positive, and on the left side of the mirror all the distance are considered as a negative, right? So this pole is considered as a origin and the principal axis is considered as a x-axis. So on the right side of the mirror all the distances are towards the right is taken as a positive, and all the distance on the left of the origin, right, on the left of the mirror we consider as a negative, right? So dear student, all the distance is measured on the principal axis from the pole, right, and the distance towards the right we consider as a positive, and the distance towards the left of the mirror we consider as a negative. Understand now, right? So we take the distance in the direction of the incident ray are to be taken as a positive, right? जिस डायरेक्शन में इंसिडेंट लाइट रे इंसिडेंट हो रही है उस डायरेक्शन का डिस्टेंस हम क्या लेंगे, पॉजिटिव लेंगे, और उसकी ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन का डिस्टेंस क्या लेंगे, नेगेटिव लेंगे, राइट? सो नेक्स्ट साइन कन्वेक्शन इज for the height. So on the above of the principal axis, the height on the above of the principal axis we consider as a positive, and the height below of the principal axis is considered as a negative, right? So upward heights, the from the principal axis, the upward heights we consider as a positive, and the downward heights we consider as a negative, right? So understand about all the sign convection, all the 4 points, right, regarding a sign convection for the spherical mirror. And this sign convection is applicable for both the type of the mirror, concave mirror as well as the convex mirror. So let us revise each and every point in a detail. So first point of the sign convection is the pole P of the mirror, concave mirror as well as the convex mirror, is taken as the origin, and the principal axis of the mirror is taken as the x-axis, x dash x of the coordinate system, and all the distance are measured on the principal axis, right, from the pole, right? So first point clear about the first point of the sign convection. You have to draw a figure once, right? એક જ વખત આપણે ફિગર ડ્રો કરવાની છે. અહીંયા બધી સ્લાઇડની અંદર ફિગર બતાવેલી છે, પણ આપણે ડ્રો એક જ વખત કરવાની છે, બરાબર? So center of this mirror pole is taken as a origin, and principal axis is taken as a x-axis, x dash x, right? So what is the second point? The object is placed to the left of the mirror, right? We place a object on the left of the mirror. This implies that the light from the object falls on the mirror from the left hand side. So light is incident on the mirror on the left hand side. So direction of the incident light is from left to right, right? Now next sign convection is all the distance parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole of the mirror. So here dear student, all the distances are measured from the pole of the mirror on the principal axis. જેટલા બી ડિસ્ટન્સ એ ઓબ્જેક્ટનું ડિસ્ટન્સ હોય કે ઇમેજનું ડિસ્ટન્સ હોય, એ આપણે કહીએ ક્યાંથી મેઝર કરવાનું છે? પોલથી મેઝર કરવાનું, નહીં કે આપણે એન્ડ પોઈન્ટ મિરરના એન્ડ પોઈન્ટથી, બરાબર? સો પોલથી ઓબ્જેક્ટના ડિસ્ટન્સને આપણે શું કહીશું? ઓબ્જેક્ટ ડિસ્ટન્સ કહીશું. પોલથી ઇમેજના ડિસ્ટન્સને શું કહીશું? ઇમેજ ડિસ્ટન્સ કહીશું. બટ ઓલ ધ ડિસ્ટન્સીસ with the focal length of the mirror, all the distances are measured on the principal axis from the pole, right? So next point in the sign convection is point number 4. All the distance measured in the direction of the incident ray along the x-axis are taken as a positive. That means the distance is towards the right. Here the direction of the incident ray is from left to right. So from the pole, the distance is towards the right is considered as a positive, right? So mirror ni right side ના જેટલા પણ distance છે એ બધા distance આપણે કેવા લેવાના છે? Positive લેવાના છે, બરાબર? And the distance measured against the direction of the incident ray opposite to the direction of the incident ray are taken as a negative. So incident ray left to right છે, so distance towards the left from the pole is considered as a negative. એટલે કે પોલથી લેફ્ટ સાઈડના બધા ડિસ્ટન્સ શું લેવાના આપણે? નેગેટિવ લેવાના. So here if we calculate the object distance of the object is placed on the left hand side, right? So the distance from pole to object we consider as a negative, right? So when the object is placed here, the image is produced at this point, right, on the right side. We take the image distance is a positive. Understand 4 points, right? Distance towards the right of the mirror is considered as a positive, and the distance towards the left of the mirror is considered as a negative. Now, next point, last point of the sign convection is the distance measured perpendicular and above the principal axis are taken as a positive. So, distances above the principal axis, height above the principal axis are taken as a positive, and height below the principal axis are taken as a negative. So dear student, understand about all the 5 points of the sign convection for the spherical mirror, right? This sign convection is very important to calculate the examples of the spherical mirror, which we will understand later on, right? But here, according to this sign convection, which distances are taken positive for the concave mirror and which distances are taken positive and negative for the convex mirror, we will understand here. So here, dear student, consider this concave mirror, right? Place, here we take the pole or a origin, x-axis, principal axis, and the object is placed on the left of the concave mirror, right? So the rays of the light is incident towards from the left to the right. So all the distances towards the right of the mirror is considered as a negative. So here, dear student, when we place the object is here, the object is on the left of the concave mirror, right? So the object distance u is considered as a negative, right? So image is also produced on the left of the mirror, so image distance also we consider as a negative, right? Focal length of the concave mirror is on the left hand side, so the focal length of the concave mirror is also negative, right? So height of the object is placed on above the principal axis, so height of the object is considered as a positive, but the image is produced below the principal axis. So in case of the concave mirror, the real and inverted image is produced, so the image is produced below the principal axis, so height of the image h dash we consider as a negative. But dear student, what happened in the convex mirror? So in case of the convex mirror, we place a object on the left hand side, right? Right? We place a object is on the left hand side. So the ray of the light are emerging from the left side and going towards the right side. So the object distance on the left side distance we take as a negative. So object is placed here on the left hand side. So the object distance is considered as a negative. So in the case, both the case, concave mirror as well as the convex mirror, the object distance is always negative. But the principal focus of the convex mirror is on the right hand side. So the focal length of the convex mirror is positive. The image will be produced also on the right side of the mirror. So the image distance V is also positive. Height of the object above the principal axis. So we take the height of the object is positive, and by the convex mirror the real and virtual and erect image will be produced. So image is also above the principal axis. So image height of the image is also considered as a positive, right? Understand dear student how the sign convection is applicable for the concave mirror as well as the convex mirror, right? Let us repeat that. In case of the concave mirror, the object distance is taking a negative, focal length of the concave mirror is considered negative, the image distance is also negative, height of the object is positive, height of the image we consider a negative. In case of the convex mirror, the object distance is negative, right? So in case of the concave mirror as well as the convex mirror, the object distance is always negative, but for the focal length of the concave mirror is always negative, and the focal length of the convex mirror we take a positive. In case of the convex mirror, right, the image distance is positive, right? Height of the object, in case of the convex mirror, height of the object and the height of the image is taken as a positive. So dear student, understand about the how the sign convection is applicable for the concave mirror as well as the convex mirror. So remember this sign convection is very important for the example.